It's loading day, and it's very, very muggy. We're on track to be over 100 heat index. I don't know, 110. It's 79 degrees right now, and it's 7 o'clock. I'd hate to think what the humidity is. Plan is to finish up around the house this morning and today. Get the combine loaded this morning and leave tomorrow morning. Yesterday was a big day. Yesterday was spent non-stop walking. The trailer house needed loaded. Yard needed mowed. Jenna and Hattie left in the morning. Let's get this job started. The sides are up on the trailer, so that'll all have to come down. Sides are out, ramps are down. We're ready to load.
You really have to.
This is not our farm, of course, because we are not farmers. We just borrow the driveway from some really good friends of ours just to make it easier to get loaded, and when we come back it gives us a place to land. I'm guessing that little wheat plant was from us last year because they don't grow wheat. Not going to do the full loading on the trailer. Instead, I'll refer you to a video that I did. I can't remember if it was last spring or the spring before. I think it was last year, and I'll put it in the description and also on the video to go back and watch how we get this thing loaded. Okay, we're gonna get this on here straight on the very first time. We gotta watch the tires because it's very narrow between the two combine tires and the trailer tires. So I'll let you watch the other video to see how it's done. Back that up to this, and we're that much closer to being loaded. A few days ago, this area was hit by a hailstorm, and this what looked very lush corn crop is now struggling, and thought I'd show you what hail can do to the corn stalks. That's not good. This is what that field looked like prior to the hail. I'm going to change things up a little bit on this video, and rather than continue with what we've done the past couple of days, I'm going to stop right here and continue with part 3 of 1994, just because. Jenna, you have some dinner now?
You know what he's licking that butterfinger off of you.
They're cuter than hell now, but they're still relatively dogs.
That's the trouble. They're all cute. How could you pick one? Huh?
This one's cute.
Climb in there after him, Jim.
I don't want to. Come here.
You guys are just all over me.
Come here.
Why? Ow! You're dog.
This is my
7. Oh, there's one left.
Okay. Ow! Oh! Okay, that one.
Mike, you been in there before?
I've been in the doghouse before, but
What?
After you took the top off.
Took the top off of his combine?
Yeah.
He never had a top. Would you like to ride around in that?
No.
Why?
Not without a top.
Why?
Because
Because why?
it ain't running without a top. Good. Here's Jamie. Huh?
In the pickup.
Where? In the pickup.
probably got 6 meters of wood. There's a hole in the barn.
That's so funny.
Honey, she's taping that. You want to just a second? How rude. Her baby's going to want to know who you are.
She got me on there once.
My hair is really
Good job. Go on. Your feet. Good. Good.
She must be nervous because she's done better than that.
Great. Good job. You must be breaking your feet. I'm right here. Right here. Keep sticking. Good job. Keep fast. Touch right there.
So?
Over here. Where's the kitty? Kitty. Say hi, kitty. Say hi, kitty cat. Uh-oh. 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 Say uh-oh, Brooke. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Brooke.
Uh-oh.
Brooke.
Uh-oh.
Brooke.
Uh-oh.
How big are you?
So big.
How big?
So big.
Good girl.
So big.
Hey Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.